hold on. Put that out and do it again.
I can't put it out because it's like smears all everything. It's like you can actually use this. Ready?
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Watch.
Little things go poof. Well, it's just little gel balls inside. It's just when you took it out of a package.
There it goes.
Oh.
Eesh.
Burn. Well, this is highly flammable.
Oh, yeah.
See it popping?
Yep. It's a good fire starter.
Hey, do not buy that for your kids.
Goodness.
See balls rolling out on the back of it. Got off at $1,700 for it. Said no.
Yeah, that's not exactly kid friendly for a review. It's so gross. Blip, blip. In the pile. Yep, so the consensus, don't buy these for your kids. Just in case.
Definitely don't buy those for your kids.
Wow.
Plus what the fuck is in it too.
What am I doing?
Just film this.
Your paper?
Yeah, watch what happens. Ready?
Yep. Whoa! Hold on. Put that out and do it again.
I can't put it out because it's like smears all everything. It's like you can actually use this. Ready?
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Watch.
Wow. Phew.
Jeez. It's like a freaking Agent Orange or something.